Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wonder what I'm doing? I'm cutting trees with a chainsaw. This is going to be my first victim over here. Now, if you look at this tree and you know anything about gravity and the way this is all leaning, if we just cut this tree, it's going to fall this way. Now, I don't want it to fall that way. I want to make it fall this way, right towards you. That's where I want to fill that tree. Okay, I don't know. You guys are gonna have to be the judge of that. Hopefully my tutorial teachers there could comment and let me know how I did. I think I did okay. I wanted it on this line over here. And all right, well, it's not so bad, right? More likely, more or less where I wanted it. And this is pretty interesting here. Look at that. Look at how it was just pulling on it. And then this part here was just pulling the tree over. That's amazing. Okay, well we're gonna try this other tree over here. This one's really leaning bad. What do you think? You think I can make it fall this way? Let's give it a shot. We'll give it a try, all right? Let's go try that one. So this guy's really leaning heavy this way. I want to go back this way.
Esa no cae nunca. Si tú pones esa cae para acá, yo te voy a dar precio.
We're gonna remove the stump with a machine, so we can make it fall this way. All right, let's give it a try.
Dale para acá.
Huh?
Dale que caiga para acá eso. Esa no se la lleva. Esa no la salva a nadie.
Okay, so the plan failed, and now we're going to alternate methods. This is why I don't do this. Nice. Look at that.